Good morning students, how are you all? Once again, welcome back to our maths class. Today we are going to study a new chapter which is money, our fourth chapter of our maths textbook. So all of you please take the notebook and textbook, get ready for the class. Students, take a new page on your notebook and write the chapter title Money on your notebook. Now, let us start. Students, what is money? Do you know what is money? If you wanted to buy a chocolate, what we have to give? We have to give money for that, right? If you wanted to buy a dress or a toy or anything, we have to give money for that. So, money is very much important in our day-to-day life. In ancient times, students, the word no money. The people use it to exchange their things instead of using money. For example, I have a pen with me. I wanted to buy a chocolate. So what we have to do? We have to give this pen for that person and buy the chocolate from that person. Okay. So the people use it to exchange their things instead of using money. After that only, money came to be existence. Different countries have different types of currencies. Our country, which is our country? Yes, we are living in India. Yeah, in our country, our currency is called rupees. This is the symbol of rupees. The term rupees is derived from the Sanskrit term rupaya. The smaller unit of currency is called paise. In our country, we have two types of currencies. The currency in the form of note and currency in the form of coins. So, we have paper currencies like 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 50 rupees, 100 rupees, 1000 rupees, 500 rupees and 2000 rupees. And also we have coins like 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin and 10 rupee coin. The paper note currencies were mainly issued by the Reserve Bank of India. Understood? Now let us study more about money. How to read and write money and conversion of money. How to convert paise into rupees and rupees into paise. Let us begin with how to read and write money. Students, now let us study how to read and write money. Here 3 rupees and 75 paise, which was written in the form of words. Now let us study how it should be written in figures. So I already said we have two types of money. The rupees, money is in the form of rupees and money in the form of paise. So let us study how it should be written in the form of figures. Okay. So 3 rupees. This is the symbol of rupees. I already said. Then the 3. Then instead of adding this and, we have to put a point. Decimal point. Then that's 75. So 3 rupees 75 paise. This is the form of how to write the money in words. And this is the form of how to write money in figures. Okay. Now let us take one more example. Here students, 3 rupees and 05 paise. So how it should be written in figures? First we have to add the symbol, then the 3, then the point, then 05. Now you might be thinking that why here a 0? Okay. Because the paise is less than 5. That's why we are adding a 0 after the point. Okay. Most of the students make mistakes in writing 50 paise and 5 paise or 5 paise. So students keep in mind, if the paise is less than 10, the paise is 6 or 7 or 8 or 3, less than 10, we have to add a 0 after the point. Students, if the paise is less than 10, we have to add a 0 after the decimal point. So 06, 07 and 08. Understood? The paise always have 2 digits. For example, the paise always have 2 digits. If there is no paise, we have to write 2 zeros after the decimal point. And the rupees always have 1 digit. Okay. So if there is no rupees, we have to add a 0 before the decimal point. Understood? Now let us move to the next one. Students, I already said, to convert rupees into paise, what we have to do? We have to multiply it by 100. Okay. Now let us study how to convert this 6 rupees into paise. What we have to do? We have to multiply the 6 with 100. So the answer is 600. 6 rupees is equal to 600 paise. And always remember, 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. If the paise is 8, if the rupees is 8, so the paise is 800 paise. If the rupees is 7, the paise is 700 paise. So what we have to do? We have to multiply it by 100. Understood? Students, now let us study how to convert the rupees and paise into paise. So we already said it, to convert rupees into paise, what we have to do? We have to multiply it by 100. So here 7 is the rupees. This is the symbol of rupees. And 25 is the paise. Now what we have to do? We have to convert first this rupees into paise. So 7 into 100 plus that 25. So the answer is 7.25 paise. This is the total paise. So in order to find this quickly, what we have to do is we have to remove this decimal point. We get the answer. Understood? Now let us check another example. So rupees 3.15 paise. So let us convert this into paise. So first rupees into paise. 3 into 100 plus that 15. So 3 into 100, 300 plus that 15. So answer is 315 paise. So 3 rupees 50 had 315 paise. So just look at this, remove this decimal point, we get the answer. Understood? Now let us move to the next point. Students, now let us study how to convert paise into rupees. So in order to convert rupees into paise, what we have to do? We have to multiply it by 100. In the case of paise into the rupees, what we have to do is we have to divide it by 100. Understood? Now let us convert this 400 paise into rupees. So what we have to do? We have to divide it by 100. Okay. Now let us do this. 400 divided by 100. So how many times? Yeah, 4 times. So 400. Subtract 0. This is the rupees. Okay, so 400 paise is equal to 4 rupees. Understood? If the paise is 900, it is equal to 9 paise. Sorry, rupees. Understood? Students, if the paise is 3005, now how to convert this into rupees? Let us divide 3005 by 100. Okay. Students, now let us solve this. 3005 divided by 100. Okay. Can we find 300 in the table of 100? Yes. 300s are 300. So, subtract. We have to bring this 5 here. Okay. So, the answer is 3. 3 is the rupees and 5 paise. So, 3005 paise is 3 rupees point 05 paise. Students, I hope you understood today's classes. Today we learned how to read and write money and the conversion of money, how to convert rupees into paise and how to convert paise into rupees. Okay, so please do your homeworks before the next class. Thank you, students.